Hello there fellow crafters, I'm Beth and I am with Craft-e-Corner. Today I want to show you how to calibrate your Cricut machine to get the best cut when using print then cut. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you can catch all of our awesome Cricut tips and tricks. We're going to start in Design Space and click on the 3-line menu in the upper left. Then we will come down to Calibration. You'll see there are different reasons to calibrate, but today we're going to do the print then cut. We're going to make sure the correct printer is selected and hit print. Next, we're going to take this sheet of paper that was just printed and place it onto our cutting mat in the upper left. Hit continue and select the correct machine. It will begin by reading the registration marks. Note that during the calibration process, it is still the big rectangle of the registration marks. When we make an actual project, the marks are only in the corners now. Then it will cut the small square. Design Space will then ask us to examine the cut line in the small square and if the cut line touches the printed line all the way around. Let's take a look at our cut. Looks like our cut does not touch the line all the way around, so back in Design Space we're going to click on the no. Next, it is going to make small cuts on each of the individual printed lines. The top lines are numbered and the side lines are marked with a letter. Now Design Space is asking us to take a look at the lines the machine just cut. We want to select the cut line that is as close to the middle of the printed line. Looks like ours is 13 and N. I will choose those from the drop-down menu. It will then repeat the process so that it can have a precise calibration. So we will print another sheet, place it on our cutting mat, and again it will cut the small square and ask us to evaluate. This time it is exactly on that small square. You can barely see it in the video because it's right on top. So this time I'll say yes. Again, it will cut all the little lines on top and on the side. This time it looks like 12 and K are our winners. It then cuts the big rectangle. This time, as well, you can barely see it because the cut line is right on top of that printed line. And that's it. Now you're ready to make all sorts of cool stickers. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. If you're looking for more Cricut tutorials, click here. Shop all the latest Cricut materials here. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch all of our upcoming videos. See you next time.